first cereal.
I might have made it too thick. I don't know. Okay, let me get some water.
Everybody like it?
I don't know.
Does she like it?
Yeah.
She's not making a silly face like you did when you were a baby.
Yeah, you didn't like it when you were small. Say hey.
Hi. I see.
Yeah.
Alright, here it is.
See, look at. Come on.
Here we go.
Don't touch.
Alright, let's see.
Let's see if she'll eat it.
Does she
I
like
see
it?
me.
But she'll-
Yeah, of course you did.
Well, we'll have to watch it to see you later.
Look, she's eating it. Get down.
I see too.
You can stop it. You can stop it.
No, it's fine. Stop.
No, I do.
I mean, she loves it.
She's eating it.
Of course she does.
Oh, yes.
She's a chubby girl. Look at her.
She's eating it.
Yeah.
Iris likes it.
Oh.
Or not.
Okay.
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 Say bye-bye, Miles.
Papa Mouse.